July 2024 was an unforgettable month, packed with events that future generations will study. While the history books might skip over some of the technical disasters like the CrowdStrike meltdown, bloody ears, or broken Intel chips, they will likely ponder the strange viral meme HWK Tuwa and its cultural impact. This is the Tech Report June 2024. The phrase HWK Tuwa went viral this month, forever altering the world's cultural landscape. Interestingly, it wasn't the only TUAW making headlines. If you're an Apple fan, you might recall an unofficial Apple website with a similar name. This popular site was acquired by AOL, which eventually shut it down in 2015. It vanished from memory until it mysteriously reappeared this month, complete with its original authors from the early iPhone days. However, the revived site is actually a zombie, taken over by a Hong Kong company using it to flood the internet with AI-generated content. Despite the craziness, there were some bright spots in the tech world. Node.js, a popular JavaScript runtime, finally got TypeScript support. This update, courtesy of a recently merged pull request, allows developers to write TypeScript in Node.js files without needing a compilation step. Instead, it strips the types from the source code and executes the JavaScript parts, similar to type annotations in Python. This change promises better IntelliSense and early bug detection. A new Python framework called FastHTML also made waves. Unlike JavaScript frameworks, FastHTML uses HTMX to scale down web complexity. It allows developers to create interactive components with pure Python code, which can then be made interactive with HTMX, leveraging HTML instead of JavaScript. This framework stands out for its simplicity and efficiency compared to Django or Flask. Another exciting development is the new code editor, Zed. Previously exclusive to macOS, Zed is now available on Linux. This fast, open-source editor is written in Rust and is gaining popularity among developers for its speed and efficiency. However, not all news was good. Intel faced significant issues with its 13th and 14th generation Raptor Lake chips. Game developers and Intel itself reported various problems, eventually traced back to a microcode algorithm regulating voltage. High voltage levels caused instability and likely permanent damage to the chips. Users with these chips are advised to update their BIOS and use Intel's default settings. Faulty chips will likely need replacement under warranty. Stripe, the online payment processor, made headlines by acquiring its competitor, Lemon Squeezy. While many indie hackers preferred Lemon Squeezy, Stripe's acquisition indicates its growing dominance in the market. This move shows how large companies often buy out competitors rather than compete directly. The Stack Overflow survey results added a touch of gloom. They revealed that professional developers are 50% more likely to be unhappy at work than happy. Almost 50% are stuck in their comfort zones, just going through the motions. Interestingly, the survey also noted that farmers are statistically more satisfied with their jobs than desk-bound developers. On a lighter note, the International Mathematical Olympiad saw a surprising win for Team USA over the nearly unbeatable Chinese team. This rare victory was nearly overshadowed by a new competitor, Google AlphaProof. This AI model, combining a large language model with a reinforcement network, can solve complex math problems. While top math prodigies still outperform AI, the rest of us might find our skills outpaced by machines. In a bizarre twist, Google teamed up with Harvard to develop an AI model trained on rat videos. This rat brain uses an inverse dynamics model to improve robot dexterity, potentially replacing human labor with robot labor. However, OpenAI has its own plans, launching a preview of its search engine, SearchGPT. This move challenges Google's dominance in search by leveraging AI to reimagine how we find information online. July also saw the release of new AI models, including Meta's Llama and Mistral Large 2. The latter's performance is approaching that of OpenAI's GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude, posing a threat to OpenAI's market position. OpenAI's financial sustainability is under pressure, with $7 billion expected in spending this year, mainly for server rentals to train GPT. AI developments have also raised concerns about mass surveillance. The Content Authenticity Initiative, CAI, involving big tech companies, aims to embed data into media to verify its source and alterations. While intended to combat disinformation and deepfakes, it also creates a surveillance apparatus. The proposed copied act could make it illegal to remove provenance data from media, threatening online anonymity and freedom. The most significant event of July was the CrowdStrike disaster, affecting 8.5 million Windows machines. This incident caused widespread disruptions, from missed flights to delayed medical procedures. However, CrowdStrike's compensation offer of a $10 Uber Eats gift card fell short of addressing the severity of the impact. Despite the challenges and chaos, the tech world continues to innovate and evolve. As we move into August, it's clear that the only constant in tech is change. Whether through groundbreaking advancements or unforeseen disasters, the industry keeps us on our toes, making each month an adventure. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of technology. Don't forget to share and subscribe.